this is my first ING night marathon. It's madness out there. I will do the 42K and hopefully I'll do it in 4.5 hours. As you will see in a minute, it's madness. Look behind me.
Luxemburg, Café und Semi-Marathon, herzlichen Glückwunsch zum
Große merci und Sweet Devils, wunderbares Billonsage, merci mille, dabei sind. Sie sind noch um ihre Marathon bis morgen morgen. Feuer brengen Sie op daar in weer voor deze gang. Zullen geleden op daar. Karin.
We're gonna leave Kirchberg behind us. And we're gonna move over the Red Bridge and get into Limpertsberg. And from there we'll do all the neighborhood of Limpertsberg. And probably by then, the sun will be going down on me. Alright, let's do this. We're about to pass kilometer 10. Just got a cup of energy drink. I'm 58 minutes in. That's 10K. Right. the city behind me. I'm on Boulevard Royal. So far, I did 16k. I'm well within my time, but it's starting to hurt. And the next area we are going into will be Bel Air and Merle. So let's keep this pace going. Feeling good. Probably will need a gel soon, but other than that, I'm well within my time. Alright, I am in Bel Air Merle. I'm separated from the semi-marathon, and it gets real quiet, real fast. We are trekking on towards the center of Bel Air and Merle, and from there we'll move on to the valley, Petrus. Alright, so this is kilometer 29. We are in the valley, and the problem with the valley, of course, is that we need to get out of the valley again. But so far so good. We are out of the valley into Quartier Gare, near the train station. Still a bit uphill, got some cramps, but we'll make it. I have about 10k left.
this shit in the fight, but I know I don't blame everything that I say. Man, I seen you deflate. Let me elevate this at a break. Have you walking on a plane?
Oh my god, can't believe I made it. Almost there.
Juan Ramón Oslos Fernández para España, Michelle Piontek, Luxembourg.
So according to my watch, I did it in exactly 4 hours and 28 minutes. Let's see what the official time will be. I am exhausted. I cannot tell you how often I wanted to quit. Terrible. I will never do this again. Probably not until next year. And now I'm just ready to go home. So f***ing done. Can't do this anymore. I really will consider running again. I'm pretty sure that my left big toe is completely swollen. Must be a blister in it. So now they make me go to this giant hole, and I just want to find my family and go home. Can't even drink, can't even eat. I think I will puke it all out. But thank you for joining me, and maybe you will be also at the start and finish of the next Luxembourg Night Marathon.